explore the ideal raw material for aluminum profiles, aluminum rods. At Wellste, we use high-quality aluminum material that meets the national standards such as 6063, 6001 primary aluminum. We also offer special grades like the 5 series and 7 series aluminum. Our aluminum rods are enhanced with titanium, magnesium, and silicon. These additions not only ensure the strength and plasticity of aluminum profile, but also result in a smoother surface and enhanced resistance to oxidation, guaranteeing top-notch product quality. Today, we will introduce you to the raw material used in aluminum profiles. Next time, we will demonstrate the transformation process from aluminum rods to aluminum profiles.